Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked accounts on Suno. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Suno app and you will click in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.